Friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our next question, 16th one. Then what is that? 16th one is here, sum of 4th and 8th terms will be equal to 24. If you add 4th and 8th both terms, we will get answer as 24. Then sum of 6th and 10th terms. So if you add 6th term and 10th term, then we will get it as 44. Then find what are the three first terms. So three first terms means either A, A2, A3 or A1, A2, A3. So this is the series. So in AP we have to find it. So AP means we know that is common difference is same, that is D is same. So first one, let's going to take what are the terms. So what is the formula for nth term? So an will be equal to what is that? A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the case here. This is the formula. So here sum of 4th and that is A4 plus A8 will be equal to 24. So what is the A4th term? So what is A4th here is, let's going to take A4 will be equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is A plus n will be equal to 4 minus 1 into D. That is A plus 3D. So this is A4. This is A4. Then what is the A8? So A8 will be equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is A plus 8 minus 1 into D. Let's going to take A plus 7D. So if you add this A4 and A8, we will get equation as, so what is A4 plus A8? That will be equal to, we know that is 24. Let's going to add that one, A plus 3D plus A plus 7D will be equal to 24. Then what you can get it here, A 2A plus 3D plus 7D will be 10D. That will be equal to 24. You can take common of 2 here. Yes, is that possible to take common? Yes, 2 take common. A plus 2 5 is 10, D will be equal to, so 24. Then A plus 5D will be equal to 24 by 2. 2 1s are, then 2 12s are. So what is the equation? A plus 5D will be equal to 2. Let's going to take, this is equation 1. So what is the equation 1? A plus 5D will be equal to 12. Sorry, here 12. A plus 5D will be equal to 12. Then what is the sum of 6th term and 10th terms? So 6th terms A6 plus 10th terms A10 will be equal to 44. So what is the 6th term? That is A6 will be equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So here A plus 6 minus 1 into D, that is A plus 5D. A plus 5D. So that is the A6. Then what is the another term? That is A10. So A10 will be equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So here A plus n will be equal to 10 minus 1 into D. So here what value we are getting here? A plus 9D. So if you add A10, A6 plus A10, we will get that is 44. So let's going to add A plus 5D plus A plus 9D will be equal to 44. A both will going to add, that is 2A plus 5D plus 9D. If you add 5D plus 9D, we will get it as 14D. That will be equal to 44. Let's going to take common of 2. A plus 7D will be equal to 44. Then A plus 7D will be equal to 44 by 2. 2 1s are, then 2 20s are. So A plus 7D will be equal to 22. So let's going to take equation 2. So what value we can get it here is, let's going to subtract 2 minus 1. That is do 2 minus 1. So A plus 7D will be equal to 22. Then what is the first equation? A plus 5D will be equal to 12. So here minus, right? For that below equation we will get plus become minus, minus will become plus. So minus minus plus A minus A will going to cancel. 7D minus 5D will be equal to 22 minus 12. So 22 minus 12 will become 10. 7D minus 5D will be 2D. That is D will be equal to 10 by 2. 2 1s are, then 2 5s are. That is common difference is 5. So what is the common difference? 5. So let's go into substitute. D value will be in equation 1 or equation 2. So let's go into substitute. D is equals to 5. Substitute in equation 1. So what is the equation 1 here is a plus 5d will be equal to 12. So a plus 5d will be what? What is the 5? 5 into d will be 5, 12. So what value will be? 5 5 is a 25. That will be equal to 12. Then a is equals to 12 minus 25. We will get it as 25 minus 12 become 13. So minus 13. So a will be equal to minus 13. So this is the first term. A will be equal to a1 will be equal to minus 13. Then a2 will be equal to a1 plus d. That is a1 is minus 13 plus 5. So what value we are getting here is minus 18. Subtraction 13 minus 5 will become 8. That is bigger 113. Before that minus, for that minus 8. Then a3 will be equal to a2 plus d. a2 is minus 8 plus 5. Then what value we will get it here? Minus 3. Then a4, a3 plus 5 d, that is minus 3 plus 5. We will get it as plus 2. So these are the terms you can calculate based on this one. So we can go like that up to 4th term, 5th term and 8th term. So this is the first 3 terms they are asked. This is the way to find the calculations. If you like the video, please like it, try to share with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.